Hey everyone, welcome back to AutomagzTV. Today we're diving into an exclusive first look at the highly anticipated 2026 Ford Transit luxury van. If you're into road trips, van life, or just love checking out luxury vehicles, this one's for you. Starting with the front exterior, the 2026 Ford Transit boasts a bold, futuristic design. The grille is sleeker, with a chrome finish that adds a premium touch. The LED matrix headlights are seamlessly integrated, giving it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The aerodynamic lines improve efficiency while maintaining a rugged appeal. Moving to the rear, the Transit features vertically stacked LED taillights for better visibility. The rear doors are wider with smoother mechanics, making loading and unloading a breeze. Chrome accents and a subtle spoiler enhance the luxury aesthetic. The rear bumper integrates seamlessly, adding both function and flair. Inside the cockpit, the driver is treated to a high-tech environment. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, paired with a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Premium leather seats with memory functions, a heated steering wheel, and advanced driver assistance systems make every journey comfortable and safe. The living space is designed for ultimate relaxation. Ambient lighting, modular seating with plush materials, and panoramic windows create an airy open feel. The bedroom features a queen-size memory foam bed with underbed storage. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped. Induction cooktop, microwave, a mini fridge, and a sink with a modern faucet. Under the hood, the 2026 Transit offers both traditional V6 and hybrid powertrains. The hybrid variant provides excellent fuel economy without compromising power, delivering around 300 horsepower with smooth acceleration. While official pricing hasn't been announced, industry experts predict a starting price around $60,000 for the base luxury model, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $85,000 depending on customization.